Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have November's Clucks of Joy box to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So November 2023 Clucks of Joy box just arrived. I do want to say this is definitely a bigger, like a different size box. It's definitely bigger than the normal boxes we would get. It looks maybe thinner and wider, maybe. I'm not sure, but this is definitely a bigger size. 2 months ago, oh, something's leaking in here because I got stuff on my desk now. 2 months ago, I told you guys that I was going to see if they would change my subscription from monthly to bi-monthly, because that's a great thing about their subscription. You can do it once a month or you can do it every other month. And so I reached out to them because I had Luna was still sick for several months, so I really wasn't supposed to be feeding them. And then as soon as she finally, like 4.5 months later, got through her impaction finally, and oh my gosh, she's doing so good. She is so beautiful. She's getting so big and so full. So whatever that was doing wasn't giving her the proper nutrients to her body. And now that she's all finally 4.5 months later, she's good. She's like filling in, she's getting bigger, and she's being more feisty because now she's attacking me even when I'm holding her. Before, she would attack me if she was just down, and as soon as I picked her up, she was sweet as can be. But now when I'm holding her, she's trying to bite me as I'm holding her. I'm like, she's doing some hopping up, the feet sticking out, trying to attack Carmela. Like, she's turning into, I would swear she was a rooster if she wasn't laying eggs. Well, she's not now, but if I haven't seen her literally drop an egg, I would think she was a rooster. So I think she's pulling off the rooster card, and she's just, she don't like me anymore. I don't know. I don't know what it is, but I'm so glad she's done with her impaction. As soon as she was done, Carmela had one for a while. So long story short, I asked the company to switch me to bi-monthly, which has been amazing because they were able to catch up on all the other treats that they kind of had sitting around, because I only have 3. So I'm not supposed to give them that much. It's only supposed to be 10% of their intake is for treats. Oh, and before I show you this box, look at how cute these are. One of my amazing subscribers, her and her son sent me a little care package a while ago, and these were in there. And I've been waiting for this box to come again so I can wear them in it to show you guys. Aren't they just adorable? With the little boots and everything. Oh my gosh, they are so cute. Thank you, Chris. I love them. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what my ladies are going to be munching on for this month and next month then, because I'm bi-monthly now. So last month, since I didn't have this box, I did do an update for you guys. If you did watch that, that's when I talked about how Carmela and Luna are both good now. I showed how they're filling in and they're looking amazing. So if you missed that, you can check that one out, or you can see them looking in this video. But I did do at least an update last month to let you know how they were doing. So let's get in here. Again, this is a bigger box this time. And that is what it looks like down inside. So we still have the little tiny thing on top. I did ask them if they could go back to the card, and they said, I guess they do this, it's easier for them to put the card here. I just wish it was maybe like extended, so it would fill the whole entire area, so the font would be bigger. My thing is that font is so small that with my old 40-some-odd-year-old eyes, half of it I can't even really read. But we'll figure this out. So it looks like they are back on track with giving the human gift in here. So that's awesome. So let's go with that first, since we've missed it. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I did receive a pair of socks in here before, and I absolutely love them. It's not the ones I'm wearing right now. I thought they were, but they're not. So I'm so excited to have another pair of chicken socks. Look at how cute. So they're like this yellowish, goldish kind of color. And then it has the red and the black with the chickens on them. Oh my gosh, those are adorable. Those are adorable. So it says, "For Humans Socks. They're back by popular demand." I can't wait to start wearing these. Oh my gosh, those are so cute. So I'm so glad that I got this box, because I'm so glad to get those socks. Okay, so what my girls are going to be snacking on this month, and they love these. This is the Fit Flock dried insects mixed with herbs, probiotics, and nutrients. Oh, I think there's actually mealworms and the black soldier fly larvae. I think they're both in there with the herbs and the probiotics and stuff. So that's awesome. Makes it easy to give extra nutrition, which they need because they're molting. My 2 girls, the 2 Easter eggers, molted the worst. And then like, I didn't see any feathers for maybe like a week. And now I'm seeing feathers again from them too. I'm like, you guys molting again? Does this come in stages? I'm so confused because this is their first year of like molting. So I'm still learning. So I'm glad to have those. Give them some extra. Oh, is this the one that's opened? Yes, this is the one that is opened. There's a hole right here where my finger can go down. So I don't want to turn it. I need to tape that up. There you go. I'm trying to hold it, pinch it closed. This one here says pumpkin pie mash. Ooh. So with the mash, you can make it warm, or in the summer, I can freeze it and give it to them cold. It has dried grubs, non-GMO herbs, and natural grains inside. Again, pumpkin pie. For this one, it just says pumpkin pie mash. Your chickens will love this mash that smells like pumpkin pie, made just for poultry. And then does it tell you mix with water or pumpkin puree? Ooh, and watch them come running. So we had weather down to like 50s, 60s, so I was going to do it as a warm mash for them, but today we're pretty much back in the 90s and we have hot weather again. So I went ahead and froze it for them like I normally do. Next we have is Gobble It Up. I believe they've received this one before, and my picky ass girls, they do not like this crack corn. They say Jimmy crack corn and I don't care. They do not like this crack corn situation. So this is one that I just sprinkle on the ground, kind of like a scratch. So then they can scratch at it, they can eat the seeds that are in here, and they can eat the grubs that are in here. But then the corn is just gonna be left in the ground because they don't eat it. They don't. They only eat fresh corn. My spoiled little girls. Let's go ahead and spread some of this out, but it looks really good. Come on, girls. Sorry, Ginger. Landed on your head. Ew, what was that big old clump? What was that? Hold on. I guess there's a big old clump of like raisins or something. Let me break them up. There we go. So I broke up all of the raisins. Pop, pop, pop. Do you see how big she is now? She's like, looks so much bigger than Ginger, and she's always been a lot smaller, but she's filling out and getting so much bigger. You look so beautiful, Luna, even though you don't like me for some reason. And then Carmela, her neck is all fluffed in, her back is all in, her booty is all in, Ginger's booty is all in. Like, I couldn't ask for a better outcome on these 3 little girls right here. Niggy the little furry booty. Hey, Luna. Hi, baby. You trying to get the raisin?
she never lets me hold her. I don't know if it's just really cold this morning, but she's literally for like the last 10 minutes has just let me hold her. She's falling asleep in my arms. So I just wanted to capture this to show you, like, she's being a little snuggle bug today. And I don't know if it's the cold or if she's not feeling good, but she's never, ever let me do this with her. Never, never. Say hi, Gingy. Say hi. She's being such a sweet girl today. The first time ever. She's always fight or flight, and she never lets me hold her. I'm taking advantage. Ooh, hi. Say hi. See, she's just gonna go to sleep. She's being a sweet girl for once. Ginger. Hey, there you go. There you go. And her comb and wattle looks a lot lighter. It's normally a darker red. So she might just be cold. Hopefully that's all. Yeah, fluffy butt though. Look at that fluffy butt though. Yes, your fluffy butt. All right, so she let me hold her pretty much for like an hour, and now I sat her down and this is what she's doing. So she obviously has something going on. I don't know what it is, but I'm just gonna have to monitor her and see. But even see her tail, how her body language is. There's something going on with her. Okay, so this morning, Ginger is looking so much better. She instantly came down and went and actually started eating, and her whole demeanor and her back and everything looks so much better. Ooh, hi, Carmela. She wants the cucumber. But I just wanted to show you she's looking so much better. Carmela loves these right here. Oh, she's already here. And she's already being feisty because yesterday I literally held her for over 2 hours. And this morning, as soon as I picked her up, she was like, nope, I ain't having it, fight or flight. So I know she is pretty much feeling a lot better. She was in the house pretty much all day yesterday. And then I pulled her out. She drank a little bit of water, put her back in, and then she actually laid an egg. So at least, like I said, her whole demeanor is better. She didn't eat anything yesterday. So looks like Ginger's back to her normal self now. Thank gosh, I was getting so worried yesterday. And like her comb and wattle is a little bit darker today as well. It's not as pale as it was yesterday. And like I said, she did end up laying last night, so that was good. Maybe it was just having trouble passing. But she's good today.
Then next we have is a Green Machine daily vitamin supplement for pet poultry, rich on iron and other trace minerals. All right, so how do we give this one to them? Green Machine is under the health products, and this says extra nutrients means extra happy chickens. Mix Green Machine with your flock's favorite treat or daily feed for an extra vitamin boost when your flock needs it the most. So I can sprinkle it over their treats when I give it to them.
Hi. So today I have this little one with me, so let's go ahead and give the girls some treats and see how they like them. You gonna help me? Are you gonna help me? You gonna help me? Okay, so let me try this with holding her and trying to do this at the same time. All right, let's get a little bit of this Green Machine in here, and that's going to give them some daily vitamin supplements. Look at them little feetsies. Okay, so I'm gonna definitely try to do this one-handed. I'm gonna set it on the, hold on. I'm gonna, here. Hi, girls. Who pooped on the table? Hey, look out. Now they have nothing to say. You see them? You see the chickens? You see the chickens, baby? She's just watching them eat. She's not even taking her eyes off of them. Look, you see the chickens? You see them? You see them chickens? What are they doing? Are they eating? Are they eating? Say hi. Say I just woke up from my nap. Hey, ladies. You beautiful girls. I love all your feathers. And I love the fluffy booties. Ma'am. Vienna says hi. So with their treats, I also put in the Fit Flock, I believe it was called, with the grub worms and the black soldier fly larvae with all the other stuff in there. So that's what they're indulging.
So there you go. There's the Green Machine Daily Vitamin Supplement. And then the last thing is a Coop Odor Spray. Cleans air and freshens coop naturally. It's a fall scent. Ooh, let me smell that. Ooh, it does smell nice and fall. Wow, alrighty. So we will spray this around the coop. When your chickens spend more time indoors, you'll want to make sure your coop ventilation is in top shape. Our fall scented coop odor spray includes essential oils to cleanse the air in your coop.
All right, so let's go ahead and get their coop smelling like this fall scent. I'll just spray like the walls down and it does smell really good. Down in here, hi girls, with their fake eggs. But again, I'm just gonna spray the box. All right, now we have a nice little clean scent in there. I can smell it from out here. It smells really good.
So just spray it in the coop. It's all natural, so it's not gonna do anything bad or anything like that. Spray it around. I can't wait because it smells so good. Their nesting herbs, I absolutely love because my whole entire run and coop smell so good with those. So now I will add this to there and give it a little extra smell to be all smelling good. So that's awesome. So that is what we have for this month. You have the Coop Odor Spray, which I'm super excited about that. You have the Fit Flocks, the Green Machine, the Gobble It Up, the Pumpkin Pie, and then the Shiny Feathers. Going with the holes upside down. That is everything that came in the November box. And then the socks. Don't forget those socks. I'm super excited about those socks. Okay, so the Clucks of Joy box. You can use my code, which is SheCrafty10, to save 10% off your first subscription if you are interested. So there's two different subscriptions when it comes to them. This one here that I get is the Clucks of Joy box. It is $49.99 monthly, or you can do every 60 days. So it'll be bi-monthly. Receive up to 7 different mystery Pampered Chicken Mama products sent to your home every month, filled with carefully curated items for chicken moms and their flock. This one I actually really do love because all of their treats are made in-house and it's all made in the USA by the Pampered Chicken Mama, where other boxes that I've tried in the past, they just get, you know, every Tom, Dick, and Harry's products out there. You don't know where they're made, how fresh they are. You don't know anything about it. They're just a random product that they chose to toss in the box, where with this one, everything is guaranteed fresh. It's all made here locally, and it's all made by the Pampered Chicken Mama. So they know what's going into them. They have the best ingredients, the freshest stuff. So I absolutely love this box for that reason. They also have the treat of the month. That's the second option they have for their subscriptions. That is easy. Each month will ship you a different seasonal and yummy treat straight to your coop door. Each treat is made with dried insects such as black soldier fly grubs, mealworms, shrimp, and crickets. And it's basically every month there'll be one new package. You can get them in 2 different sizes. You can get the 4-pound for $26.99, or you can get an 8-pound for $49.99. So depending on how many chickens you have, how much you want at the time, you can choose between, again, the 4 or the 8 pounds. And they also have their individual shop. That's where I buy my nesting herbs. I buy other treats. I buy my dog shampoo. They have so many different items that you can find on their site. And my code, SheCrafty10, will save you that 10% off their shop. So if you want to check them out, everything will be linked down below. So that is everything that I have for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.